Hi friends, this is Carissa. Welcome back to the Fat Girl Flow channel. We are doing a lazy plus size babes guide to Halloween. We are going to start with the Harry Potter costume. You guys, don't come for me if you're a major Harry Potter fan. I don't know what a Harry Potter wand looks like. At first I called it a wizard stick. I love Harry Potter, but I didn't know they were called wands. I forgot. These are all the things you need. You need a sweater, stick, and a cute rock, brown eyeliner, some glasses, and some wire. All I did to make that wand was glue a little piece of lapis lazuli I had laying around, and then I wrapped some wire around it. It ended up pretty cute. I think it might pass for a wizard's wand. Who knows? I used the brown eyeliner to draw a scar on my forehead, the Harry Potter scar on my forehead. I kind of tapped it so that it would look a little bit less clean lined, so it would look more like a scar. I also wrote in Harry Potter's other scar, which is I must not tell lies, on my hand. That ended up kind of cute, but you know, didn't really look exactly how it was supposed to. Throw on those glasses, fix up your hair, make an apple appear out of nowhere. Poof, you're fucking Harry Potter. It actually turned out pretty cute. I think that, you know, if you can't get this sweater, I got it at Hot Topic. If you can't get this sweater, there's other ways to make a Harry Potter sweater. The next thing we're making is a strawberry dress. I got green felt, I have a glue gun. This is like basic crafting stuff. Nothing about this is difficult. I started by just cutting some teardrop shaped green felt. It's gonna act as the seeds. I know seeds and strawberries are black, but you know what? We're making do. Before you cut everything out, I did cut off a strip just to save it because we're going to use that later to make a little strawberry crown. I made this really easy on myself and just folded up some felt and then cut around the original shape so that I had matching little teardrop type seed shaped green thingies. To help make the little strawberry headpiece, I got a toilet paper roll. That way your felt isn't kind of flopping all around. Pretty basic. I just cut some triangle type shapes, kind of like a crown, and I hot glued it around the cardboard, and then I stuck it to an old headband. It really is like the easiest thing I've ever done. Jay was amazed. Jay was like, "Oh my God, you do crafts?" the whole time I was doing it, but it is very simple. Trust me, if I can do this, literally a child could do it. I mean, don't let your children play with hot glue guns, but seriously, anyone could do this. A few tips on working with hot glue. You guys have seen the red dress that I use for this in a recent video. I just got it off of Amazon. I think it was like 10 bucks. If you are going to be hot gluing things to fabric, you should probably put cardboard in between the layers of fabric. That way your front of your dress is not sticking to the back of your dress because of hot glue. That can happen. It luckily did not happen to me, but I was just one little step away from it happening, as you can see in this portion of the video. I was not super generous with all of the felt pieces, but if you wanted to, you could cut several more felt pieces and you could put them, I mean, you could just go to town on this dress and put them all over. I didn't even do the back, so I was kind of like a strawberry from the front, but just a girl in a tight red dress from the back, which is fine with me. I did add a little flare to the neck, a little green cutout, so I look like a little strawberry top upon my head. And this is the finished look. It is a little strawberry. Oh my God. Yeah, it's pretty cute. I'm impressed with this. My friend Mandy showed me a picture of her doing this last Halloween, and I thought it was a good idea. You could do pineapples, you could do all sorts of fruits. I mean, really, let's be real. This applies to all fruit. any season, whatever you want. I am so sorry for this next one, you guys. It's kind of horrifying. I decided I wanted to be a mime. You do need white foundation, some black eyeliner. I use suspenders and a striped shirt. You need white gloves, okay? That's like a really important part of this costume, and I did not have it, but I mean, you guys get the gist, right? I am not a makeup artist at all. I am about to show you guys something really horrifying, which is me trying to do my makeup. It is terrifying. You know what? We'll start with a little black eyeshadow. Oh, let's do a wing. Let's try to do a wing. I've never done a winged liner before in my life, but yes, now is the appropriate time to try to do winged eyeliner. Yes, perfect timing. Absolutely. Do it now. I decided the wing was not gonna work, and I decided I was gonna do diamonds around my eyes. Y'all, the end result of this might be shocking. It's cute, but is it cute? I don't know. You could do it cuter. That's all I'm saying, okay? You could perfect this and actually make it very cute, but I kind of look like a very scary clown, which I'm honestly kind of fine with. I'm kind of okay with it. Halloween's not my thing, and I'm trying to get more into it, so this was one way to try. The finished product is like a very scary clown who thinks it's a mime. This could be a very cute look. Don't count it out just yet, okay? Y'all, that is it for this little Halloween video. I hope you liked it. I hope you got a little bit of inspiration. Things don't have to be difficult to be cute. Just throw on something that you think is really fun and go have a good time. I am trying to get into the Halloween spirit, and this video really helped me, so I appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you then. Bye!